Hello friends, today's date is 1st December 2021 and today's video topic is sorting techniques in Java. So sorting is refers to arrange the data in a particular format, and sorting algorithm it is specify the way to the arrange data in a particular order. The most common orders are numerical or lexicographical order, and the sorting is lies in the fact that data searching can be optimized to a very high level if data is sorted in a sorted manner, and sorting it is also used to represents the data in more readable formats. Then real life example is telephone directory. Telephone directory it keeps the telephone number of people sorted on their names, so that names can be sorted, and directory keeps the words in alphabetical order, so that searching of any work becomes easy. Now we can see the types of sorting. Then first one is a bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple to understand and implement algorithm, but is a very poor in a performance. Next, second one is a selection sort. Selection sort, as a name specifies, use the technique to select the required item and prepare a sorted array accordingly. And third one is a insertion sort. Insertion sort is a variation of selection sort. Fourth one is a shell sort. It is an efficient version of insertion sort. Fifth one is a quick sort. Quick sort is a highly efficient sorting algorithm, and is based on partitioning of array of data into smaller arrays. And next one is sorting objects. The objects can be sorted easily using the java.util.rs.to rs.sort. Also, the sorting techniques is it is these are the main types of the sorting techniques in Java. So it's all about the information of the sorting techniques. Thank you so much.